Are you craving a breakfast that's both fun and satisfying? Tired of the same old morning routine, just depending on that cup of coffee? Well, get ready to spice things up because today I've got a perfect solution. Hello, I'm Farhad, and let me show you how to whip up these delicious breakfast tacos that will kickstart your day with flavor and flair in just 10 minutes. Ready to dive in? Let's go. Okay, for this breakfast taco recipe, um, since we want to keep it simple and quick, I only have a few ingredients. I have about a cup of cherry tomatoes, halved, and I have a little bit of chopped jalapenos. Now, if you're not a fan of that, you can ignore that. Then I have some roasted red pepper out of jar. You can use fresh, but this takes a lot less time. Then I have 4 large eggs in there, and then also I have about 2 cups of fresh spinach. So I have some oil in here. We're gonna go ahead and get it going. You know, the breakfast taco recipe is very versatile. I mean, you can do so much, but in order to keep it, um, simple, this is the one I go with. And also you want to keep it, as much healthy as we can. And, I think these are the main ingredients for any taco, breakfast taco. And I have some garnishes that once we assemble the taco, you're going to see that. So I'm going to start sauteing the tomatoes. So we let them, you want to keep it in the medium. And then I'm going to add the jalapenos. And then just let them cook a little bit, a minute or so. As soon as the tomatoes start getting soft, then you want to add the roasted red peppers. There we go. Now the spinach can cook really fast, so we want to hold on to that. So now next I'm going to add the eggs. See how quick this is going? I mean, if anyone spent more than 15 minutes on this, then there's something wrong. Okay, as soon as the eggs start to cook, we're gonna throw in the spinach because we want the spinach cook a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna raise it up a little bit. Oh, we're good. Okay, so there we go. Don't worry about if you see, oh my God, that's too much. No, because you're just gonna see what's gonna happen. And spinach is good for you. You gotta have that. There we go. We just keep gently mix them together. Now for the vegan option, obviously you can go with the egg substitute. And then for cheese, as we talked about in my last video, mozzarella cheese is a good option. Parmesan cheese is good. Cheddar cheese is probably the best. There we go. Mozzarella and cheddar cheese probably. There we go. Now I'm not going to add any salt and pepper, but you're more than welcome to do so. We have a little bit of salt in that roasted red pepper, so we're good there. And then we got jalapeno, so we don't need pepper. There. There we go. We're ready here. I mean, what was it? 3.5 minutes or so? All right. Let's get them. Let's get the taco shells built up and assemble the ingredients. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and heat up our tortillas on a flat top. Get them ready. About a minute, not even that. Nice and soft. Okay, so we're ready to assemble our tacos. Here's the ingredients that we made, ready to go into the taco shells. Very simple. Right down the taco stand. All right. Now you could add onions and mushrooms to this, but like I said, we wanted to keep it simple and you know, easy to make it in less than 10 minutes or so. Now this is, as you can see, serves two. You can obviously, you know, double or triple the recipe for more. Okay, I think we're even here. Okay, now the toppings. You know, I would do avocado. Definitely gonna have avocados. I think I have to get more avocados. Let's go like this one. This is like one avocado. And then for the sauce, you know, instead of using sour cream, I'm using a Greek yogurt and lime juice. So this is like a 1 cup of Greek yogurt and 1 teaspoon of lime juice. And then just like a sour cream, I just put on the, instead of using sour cream. Of course, you can use salsa if you want, but let's think a little bit outside the box. And you can put the salsa on top, I guess. But you gotta put some feta cheese on it. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Our breakfast taco is ready. One last thing, some chopped cilantro. And there you are. There you go, we're done. 10 minutes maybe less. Now that you saw how easy and quick and tasty and healthy this is, there are no excuses leaving the house in the morning without having breakfast. You can enjoy these tacos whenever, not just for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or even an appetizer. So, well, thank you so much for watching. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And share this video with family and friends. And leave me comments or any question in the comment section below. Also, again, a heartfelt thanks to all my subscribers. I appreciate your support. And if you haven't yet, please check out these videos to my right and left on screen for more healthy, delicious recipes. Thanks again, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care.